Drone mapping is an efficient way of surveying large or complex areas. Generally, the aerial photos taken do not contain spatial information. To turn them into a georeferenced map, the drone images must be tied to the precise coordinates of a set of surveyed points on the ground. A surveyor is normally hired to determine the exact location of these ground control points. They would hand you a set of coordinates to be loaded into the photogrammetry software for processing the captured images. As you know, surveyors are expensive to hire. If you perform frequent drone mapping for your own properties, and your drone maps do not require certification by a surveyor, then you could consider obtaining the coordinates of the ground control points yourself. To do so, you will need an iPhone or iPad device running an app that's called iCMTGIS Pro. You will also need a high-precision GNSS receiver, such as the EOS Arrow Gold or the Genec SXBlue Platinum. This high-end RTK data collection system is not cheap either. Whether it will pay in the long run depends on how much mapping and GPS data collection you will need to do. Here is an outline of the procedure. 1. Design a sensible layout and place the GCP markers accordingly. Avoid obstructions that could hinder visibility or block GPS signals. Mark each GCP with a unique identifier. 2. Take the iPhone or iPad-based RTK system to the first ground control point. Set up the GNSS receiver to receive RTK correction from an RTK network. Connect the GNSS receiver to the iPhone or iPad via Bluetooth. Place the range pole plumb at the center of the marker. 3. In iCMTGIS Pro, enable the external GPS and select the GNSS receiver you are using. Turn on the connection to the external GNSS receiver and wait until the GPS status shows N3F2. The letter F indicates that a fixed GPS solution has been achieved. 4. In iCMTGIS Pro, select the desired coordinate system and distance unit. Then, set up a point topic named GCP. 5. Tap on the Collect Data command, and select the GCP point topic. Enter the ID of the GCP. Then, start recording GPS fixes for 300 seconds or longer. The app will store the average coordinates for the location. 6. Go to the next GCP. Enter its ID and then record its location. 7. Repeat the process for all the GCP markers. 8. In iCMTGIS Pro, export the coordinates of the ground control points to a text file. 9. Conduct the drone flight. 10. Upload the imagery and the GCP coordinates file into the photogrammetry software, and match the GCP with their corresponding coordinates. Then, process the data as usual. Finally, use blank checkpoints to verify the accuracy of the final map. Thank you for watching this video.